And don't forget daylight savings. Remember to set those clocks back.
Change your clocks, change your batteries. Ain't no such thing as a smoke detector, fairy.